Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is an updated video. I've had these Canisteo blinds for about a year now, and I have to tell you, I've had zero problems. I have them on, they're fantastic. I have them set to go for 8:30 going down and going up in the morning at 8 o'clock. And every single day, it does exactly that. It's absolutely fantastic how this works. Now, you can also use it with the remote control. I do use it with my app. And it's just a nice little, it really works well. Now, right here you can see this is channel 2. You can have different channels, channel 1, channel 2. So channel 1 is the kitchen. I think channel 2 is the dining room. Let me double check here. Channel 1. Yep, so here you go, channel 1. So you can see I hit the button and boom, the blinds are going down. Now these are zebra blinds and I absolutely love them. I have to tell you, I've made a lot of videos about these blinds and these ones here are performing extremely well. So definitely check them out. They work well. You can see how beautiful they go down. They're nice and smooth. They're easy to install. You can check out my other videos online, how easy they are to install. Just great. You can use them with the remote control. You can use them with Alexa. You can use them with the app. Pretty much anything you want. Smooth operation. You can just see how nice and smooth this is. And I just really want to just make another updated video because it's been about a year. And I think it's always important to show, look at that. So smooth, closes perfectly. Now make sure you get the right measurements. That is the only secret I'm going to tell you. Make sure you measure the header properly and the distance. Make sure you do those measurements properly and you'll have no issues. Again, here's the remote control. So I have one in my kitchen as well. In the kitchen, this is the up button. You can pause it right in the middle, continue going up. So say you like it like that, you can do it like that. That zebra look, which is very cool right now. And this is blind 2, which is my kitchen. And I'll show you my kitchen's way over there, way over there. And I'll hit down. And those are starting to go down now. You can see those are going down. So they work from a distance. It's fantastic. I love this thing, guys. You definitely got to pick this up. I definitely got to recommend it. Now, I do get a small commission just to be fair and transparent, but I would not tell you to buy something if I did not like it myself. There's just no question about it. Now, the only thing is that I have a dark side area here, so I can't use the solar panel. So probably every 6 or 8 months, I charge it up. That's the only thing. Now, the app does need work, and I was clear with that in my last review. I said that the app needs more work. As far as some things are in Chinese, some things are in English, but you can figure it out eventually. But for the price point, these work excellent. You can see I have these set to go to the top all the way up, and you can see they're going to slow down automatically. Watch this. Just so cool. And you can set the limits. So I set the upper limits to sneak underneath here. You can have set the limits to go halfway. I mean, full control, full options. I love this stuff, guys. So definitely check out this brand. Canisteo, I believe that's how you spell it. Just works fantastic. Again, I do get a small commission, to be fair and transparent, cost you nothing. But I wouldn't tell you if it wasn't good, if it was not good. I tell you the pros and cons. If you're watching my reviews on my channel, you know the pros and cons. The pros and cons are that it works fantastic, and the cons are basically the app needs work. And that's pretty much it. But other than that, a year later, I still love it, and I think you guys will too. So check out the company. I'm pretty happy with them. No issues at all, and that's what I have for you. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Just this quick review, follow-up on these blinds. No issues at all, and I have a full tutorial on my channel, how to install them, how to use them, and also setting up the remote, setting up the upper limits, setting up the lower limits. Everything is on my channel, so check that out. And you will learn how to do these. Do them yourself. Save yourself thousands of dollars. Don't spend a fortune. Do it yourself. All right, guys, that's what I have for you today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more education, information, and inspiration when it comes to things like this. So you can do it yourself and don't be afraid. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day. And I'll see you at the next review. And I love this thing. This is just, I could play with this all day, but I won't. All right, guys, thanks for watching.